First of all, make sure that your 3D printer to be connected with internet. Click Wi-Fi. Click Wi-Fi Setup. Select your own Wi-Fi network, enter your own password and then click Connect. When the Wi-Fi shows connected, click on the 3 dots in the top right corner of the screen. Save the IP address that appears here, which will be used later. Secondly, find the remote control software installer and double-click on it. Then it will be automatically installed and opened. There will be a machine code. When the software is opened for first time, copy the machine code by
Ctrl and C.
Save the machine code in a new file. Please send this machine code to our after-sales staff. Later, a DAT file will be sent back to you. After you receive the DAT file, find the MPC 3D software and right-click on it, then click Properties. Click Open File Location, and drag the DAT file directly into the folder to replace the original file. Double-click on the MPC 3D software to open it. Then click Add Machine and edit the printer's name according to your requirement. The IP address is the one that was saved at the beginning, just type it here. Click Save. Then you can see the printer you added in My Machines. And you can see the status of this printer too. Next we can test to see if the printer and computer are connected well. Click the printer we just added, then click on the Home XYZ on the right side of the interface. The connection is okay if the Z-axis is already moving. We can click Bed 50 degrees C to heat the printing bed. These are some basic commands on the right side. When the printer completes the Home XYZ command, click the printer, then click Upload. Select the G-code file that you want to print, and then click Open. When a small pop-up saying Upload File Done, please click on the file list on the right side of the interface. Then click Refresh Files. Find the file you just uploaded and double-click it. Then click Print, and the nozzle will automatically heat and start printing.